funding, your direct nationwide lender for the last 20 years. Today we're talking about closing in the LLC if that reports to your personal credit. A lot of people think that just because they close in an LLC, that they can hide that or shield that, that doesn't have to report in the personal credit. So I want to talk about this today because there's a difference between a recourse loan and a non-recourse loan, and closing an LLC for the title and then actually putting the loan in the LLC. Because you may have put the loan in the LLC and that shows up on your EIN, but you still have to sign personally as a guarantor for the entity. And that event, when that happens, it still reports to your personal credit, but there are restrictions. I want to talk about this because if you're trying to get a loan and close your LLC and you don't want to show up on your credit, I get that. For whatever reason, you have to make sure a few things. First, when you're dealing with the lender, that the loan is going to be in the LLC, okay, and not the loan in your personal name. Because some lenders, what they do is they just put the title in the LLC. If the title is just in the LLC, but the loan is in your name as an individual, it will report to your personal credit. If you want that property to report to your EIN and build business credit, and you don't want that on your personal credit, you have to make sure with that lender, whoever you're dealing with, that the EIN is going to be reported on the your EIN, or if you have a DMB number, you can definitely do that. But you need to make sure that it does not report to your personal credit. The loan has to be recorded on the business LLC and the title to protect you. Now, you still are personally liable. You have a personal guarantee if you have a recourse loan. That means that you're responsible if something happens. Now, a non-recourse loan means that you're not personally liable and will not report to your personal credit. That the business, the LLC, is responsible regardless. The one thing is, though, it's very hard to get a non-recourse loan. That's usually for larger loan amounts or very established companies like Starbucks, McDonald's, IBM, companies like that are big businesses that do non-recourse type lending with banks and lenders and institutions. You may have a good-sized business. It doesn't have to be a multi-$100 billion business, but usually non-recourse is reserved for bigger businesses that are very well established, to have a lot of assets, not for small mom and pop or businesses that are doing under $10 million a year in revenue. We offer non-recourse and we offer full recourse. So obviously we have plenty of loans that we close in the corporation or the LLC. I'm just making sure that you understand the differences, because a lot of people think just because the title is recorded in LLC, it's not going to report to your personal credit. It's not true. You have to check with that lender to make sure they're not going to report to your personal credit, and it's actually recorded in the LLC for the loan and the title. Now, if you want in your personal name, that's fine. This is just if you don't want it to show up on your personal name, you want it to record in your company or your LLC or your series LLC. Okay. So we offer obviously all the different programs nationwide that we do: commercial, residential, primary, conventional, hard money, bridge. You've seen our channel and everything that we do. So don't be a stranger if we can help you with the LLC loan programs. And all the links are down below to get signed up to enroll. There's no cost for enrollment. There's no hard credit check. You don't have to put any deposit. So please reach out to us if we can help you. Give us a call or text. We're open 7 days a week. 832-431-6331. It's Where America Goes for Funding, guys, with Angelo Christian. Thank you, guys.